Hello everyone, today we will be making an easy noodle chicken casserole. So we have all our ingredients here, and welcome back to my channel, and it's cooking time. So this will be our ingredients for today. So we have 2.5 cups of milk, we have 2 cups of water here, and we have 2.5 cups of tomato sauce. So this is with herbs, or you can use the plain tomato sauce. And we have 2 cups of breast chicken. Yan. So slice it into bite size. Ayan siya. And then we have 2.5 cups yung rotini noodles. This is how it looks. There. And we have cheddar cheese. This is what I'm going to be using. And we have 1 tablespoon of black pepper. There, ground pepper. And we have 1 tablespoon of oregano. And 1 tablespoon of salt. There you go. This is all our ingredients for tonight, and let's start doing it. So let's start our procedure. So before I prepare all our ingredients, I already preheated the oven for 350 degrees. So we will be cooking our meal for today for 50 minutes. So first thing we do is, let's start. So I have a casserole dish here. So what we do is, we'll have to put our noodles first here. Okay, oh, one fell. So wait, I'll just put here. So you can see, guys, let's move that. So let's pour our rotini noodles first, like that. And then let's spread it. And then after that, let's put our chicken breast on top. Okay. This looks good. Okay, like that. Okay. So let's spread it here. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is how it looks. So after this, we'll have to set this aside for the meantime. And the next step is we're going to mix up all our ingredients. So first, we can put our tomato sauce first. Pour it in here. Tomato sauce. And then we can put our water here. Add the water. And then let's add our milk, or you can also use like a heavy cream, but I'm using a milk here. So pour it all in here. And then let's mix this up first. Ooh. There you go. And then after we mixed it, now we can add our 1 tablespoon of salt. And our 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Pour it there. And then our 1 tablespoon of oregano, dried oregano here. Okay. And then we have to make sure to mix this well. So let's mix it. Okay. All the spices is on top, so we have to make sure we mix it well there. I'll show you. Okay. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, let's mix it really good. So this is just a simple recipe. So you don't need a lot of ingredients, and you can just find all the ingredients in your pantry. Right? Okay. I think this is ready. Look at this. Okay, one more mixing and then we're good. Okay, let's put this on the side. And then let's bring this back. And then what we do is, after we mix all our ingredients here, now we are ready to pour it into our noodles and chicken. So this will looks, guys. Let's do this. Okay, slowly let's cover the chicken and noodles. There you go. So I think we have leftover, but you can use this later if your ingredients needs more. So there you go. Let's put that on the side first. And this is our noodle casserole with chicken. So I'll show you guys how it looks. There you go. Okay, so after we mix everything and then put it in our casserole dish, we will put it in the oven for 50 minutes, and then we can put our cheese later, and then but we have to make sure, let's check it out first before putting our cheese, because right now it's like kind of watery, so we'll put it later. Okay,
a few moments later.
that's how it looks. Now let's add our cheese. Let's put it back to our oven for maybe 5 to 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Noodle chicken casserole is ready, and earlier I said it's 15 minutes, but I decided to do it for an hour and 20 minutes to cook in the oven, so it cooks really well. And as you can see, the cheese really looks good on it. Okay, let's start trying our noodle chicken casserole. So I have my plate here and I have a spoon, so let's try. Wow, this looks amazing, and for sure it will be really good. Okay. Ooh, look at it. Oh, there you go. There's our noodle and our chicken and cheese on top. Okay, it's on the side for the meantime, and let's try it. There you go. it's really good. And let's try our chicken. It's perfect. It's really good. So it's just a simple recipe and you can make it anytime. You don't need to watch it because ilalagay nyo lang sa oven and then maghihintay lang kayo or do whatever you need to do. And after an hour and 20 minutes, you'll have a delicious meal. So thank you for watching our vlog for today, and thank you to my subscribers and to everyone who is supporting me on all the way. So thank you everyone for watching, and thank you to my subscribers and to everyone who's always supporting my channel. And cheers to our delicious meal.